Georgie Ribamonte. Certificate of appreciation is given to Dr. Georgie Ribamonte for valuable inputs and presence this morning for the oath-taking rites and induction ceremony of our new nurses. Give those applause coming for Dr. Georgie Ribamonte. Thank you very much, Dr. Georgie. To introduce a very young, dynamic person behind PRC Region 7, it is a requirement that the one who will introduce him is also very dynamic and young. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know whether this is coincidental or providential that we have a male-dominated luminaries in front, and their age range, according to their profile, is, of course, I will not reveal because of Data Privacy Act. To help us welcome, to introduce the PRC Regional Director of Region 7, please let those applause come in loudest. Dr. Mark Ryan V. Portuguese, the Governor of PNA Region 7.
Good morning, and first of all, before I introduce our regional director, please allow me to send my warmest congratulations to our new registered nurses on behalf of the Philippine Nurses Association. And you are very lucky because I think this is the first time that we have with us in the oath-taking our national president, the newly elected National President of the PNA. We have Dr. Giancarlo S. Torres. So before anything else, I'd like to invite everyone to engage with the professional organization. We will be your partners for continuous learning, for advocacy, and of course for leadership development.